This goes back to the value of getting all those certifications kasi in other words, marami kang konsiderasyon na tinitingnan bago ka magbigay ng payo na dapat dagdagan natin ng ganito or tanggalin na lang natin 'to, palitan natin, gano'n, 'no?
Yes,
Eh
correct, correct.
and then there are some people who will just say, "Julie, 'wag nating galawin, let it roll."
Correct,
Let's just
meron.
may mga gano'n din, 'no? Ah,
Yes.
alam mo yung paborito kong kwento mo yung katulong na napagpaaral niya yung anak niya
Oh
na
yeah, that's Miss
nakapag-college,
Teresa.
si Teresa, oh.
Mm.
Kumusta na si Teresa ngayon?
She already have a sari-sari store.
Ayun, oh, kita mo naman.
Yes,
Na
first napag-aral niya yung panganay niya.
mm.
And then the rest of the money they put up in a sari-sari store.
Ay, ang gandang balita niyan kasi, it means,
Hindi
'no,
lang isa, marami silang mga domestic helper kasi
mm,
akala nila I only cater to the rich one.
mm,
Mix yun, extreme. Merong domestic helper, merong rank and file, supervisory, managerial,
mm,
executive, business
mm,
owners, or even the multi-millionaire.
mm.